I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face.
The Australian Organic spent years of researching with Australian professional formulators to create argan oil-based organic hair care products that successfully work on hair and scalp without any chemicals. We're offering 3 different luxury lines of hair care products that are organic and ethically made. The hair growth range restores and repairs damaged hair for a nourished shine with anti-breakage protection. This formula stimulates new hair growth and deliver over-processed and treated hair with intense hydration to rebuild, reconstruct, and seal hair fiber and split ends to boost healthy, strong lengths. The anti-hair loss range strengthens and reinforces the hair fiber. This formula reveals a well-balanced scalp to maintain hair density, minimize breakage, and promote stronger, thicker hair production. The argan oil reinforces hair fiber to prevent hair fall when brushing, whilst gently removes sebum for effective oil control for healthy roots and lengths. The Scalp Care products are professional solutions to treat itchy scalps. This formula will help to remove reduced dandruff, control the appearance of visible flakes, and relieve scalp irritation. They will provide effortless volume while protecting and cleansing the scalp. We should treat our hair the same way we treat our skin, by nourishing it with the finest ingredients that detoxify, hydrate, and protect our hair. Through our luxury line of hair care products, we want to give our customers the ultimate gift of nature that will make them fall in love with their hair all over again.